If you're new on my channel, like my video, subscribe my channel and press bell icon for updates.
Soak all the pulses and grains for 3 to 4 hours. Fry the beef until it changes color. Add 1 glass water. Cook until beef is tender and all the pulses and grains are done. Now cook on low flame until water dries. Blend all the mixture in the blender. Add water. Fry 1 chopped onion for bagar. Fry until golden brown. Delicious Haleem is ready. Serve it with fried onion, lemon, chilies, ginger, and chaat masala.